Welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. If you want to encourage our channel, please join through the join button. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, start. Your Excellency, distinguished guests and friends, I have very great pleasure in welcoming you all to this inaugural function of the Silver Jubilee of our chamber. I am indeed happy that our beloved, respected, popular President of India has so kindly accepted our invitation to inaugurate this function. It is not necessary for me to mention about the high qualities of our illustrations President, as most of you know him intimately. He has rendered great service to the nation and has held several responsible posts since independence. On this occasion of Silver Jubilee, I would like to touch in brief the activities of the Chamber, past, present, and future. As you know, Chambers of Commerce are the representative institutions of the business community established on democratic principles. We look back with satisfaction that we have completed 25 years of dedicated service to the public in general and to the business community in particular. Our chamber has thus come to be recognized as one of the premier institutions of service in the country. Our thoughts naturally go to the foundations of the institution who were responsible for forming this organization in 1946. Our representatives have held esteemed positions. We have amongst our members leading industrialists, manufacturers, traders, and specialists in every walk of life. The chamber has been serving all concerned, maintaining close and cordial relations at all levels. Besides its usual activities of making representations on various matters connected with trade, the chamber has made its contribution to economic thinking by holding discussions and seminars. Presently, our nation is passing through a critical period of time since independence. Millions of innocent men, women, and children have come from Bangladesh. We have to face the problem of feeding, clothing, and sheltering those unfortunate and helpless people. This problem is imposing a great burden on our social and economic spheres. We are also faced with unprecedented floods and drought, taking a very toll of life and property. Violence in certain areas is posing a threat to law and order. However, we are fortunate in having a strong and stable government at the center and in our own state, and they will meet the problems in an effective way. At the same time, every one of us has a responsibility to discharge, as no government can be expected to carry the burden except with the cooperation of the whole nation. From James and Company, Madras to Modern Electricals Limited, 6 Main Road, Salem. Dear sirs, we were especially pleased to receive your inquiry, and we are glad to have the opportunity to tell you something about the new and improved water heater. It is described fully in the enclosed circular. However, if the circular doesn't give you all the information you require, please write to us again, and we shall be glad to give you additional information on any particular point. We do not know whether you wish to use gas or oil, but you will note that the price is the same for either type. This heater has been so greatly improved that the saving in the cost of operation is anywhere from a quarter to a half of the former cost. These heaters are now on display by dealers everywhere throughout the country, and we suggest that you inspect them at the first opportunity. Yours very truly. Stop. If you want to encourage our channel, please join through the join button. Thank you.